Hello friend, welcome to a new video from Net. Through the previous videos about Nextcloud cloud storage, it's time to create a backup for it to prevent possible risks. If you haven't seen how to install Nextcloud cloud storage, I have included a link in the description of this video. You need to make sure that your VirtualBox virtual machine is turned off. To create a complete backup of the Nextcloud cloud storage virtual machine, in VirtualBox, you should export the virtual machine as an OVA file. You can use this OVA file to restore or move to another computer and then import. And here is the OVA backup file you will get. You should save it carefully or copy it to external storage. In this video I will delete the virtual machine in use and try to recover Nextcloud cloud storage from OVA file. Open VirtualBox, click Import, locate the OVA file, then click Import. Once the import completes, the virtual machine is ready to start up and use. As you can see, my Nextcloud cloud storage has been restored. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and leave your questions in the comment section down below. Good luck.